03 to 08 BMW Z4. We're gonna try to remove this so we can install a stereo. It seems like it's a little bit loose already. There's two clips in here. You gotta grab that and get that to open loose right there. It's kind of hard. This thing is not easy. If you guys want to do this, you guys gotta be careful. You cannot just put something in here and you're gonna damage it. So you have to have some sort of tool. I'm gonna try this first, see if it works. If it works, I'm gonna use it, but if not, see what it is. It's kind of clipped down like this, so you got to go in there and push it and pull it out, and that's the hardest part. So I don't know how to show you yet. I'm trying it myself here. I got a tool almost like this, but I'm gonna try a different one. So what I did, I used this door trim remover plastic, and you see this thing right here, this hole. I push this hook looking going in there, and then I'm trying to reach that to get that out down, kind of twist it up. It's not one easy piece, you know. You can make it dent this thing, and you gotta be careful. Maybe I can just take the thing out right here. Yep, see how I twist it? That metal kind of coming out. Let me see if I can just pull it like that. Sometimes it works, because I got this side out. You can see right here, you see this clip looking. So what I've done was trying to go like, see, going in here like this. You probably can see it. See my tool, and I go in like that and kind of twist it down like this. Once you get this side down, the other one's easy, because you can almost see it right there. It's hard to see, but you can take a little flathead and push that now. See how I did it? It's not easy. Right there, you can just keep doing like that until you get it out, and just be careful not to break anything. So what I did right there, I be able to push it down like so and push it in like there, and then I come up here and I kind of shake it a little bit, and then you lift it up like this. Up, see that it's straight. I had to lift it up like this to get it out, and this was the pain in the butt. So now what you're gonna have to do, you're gonna go right here. Look like somebody took this out before. Take the Phillip out. There's two Phillip out. Try not to lose it. Grab that screw and take this one out. Don't drop it. And now put your hands in there, shake it a little bit, and then lift it, pull it. If it's pull it tight, lift it up a little bit. Now, oh, my back is killing me today, so I can't really move. I'm moving slow like a 80-year-old guy today. So I push this, squeeze it in, or push it in, and then pull it out right here. And this one, there's a clip on the bottom. You like crimp, like you crimp it or grip it with the finger and the thumb, and then lift it up like that. Once you press it together, it's kind of easy to come out, and that's it right here. And now I need the harness and the mounting kit. Waiting for my